Welcome to my in-depth review of the OnePlus Open, a revolutionary foldable phone that's set to redefine the smartphone experience. Today, we will dive into its captivating design, explore its vibrant display, examine its cutting-edge performance, and assess its versatile camera capabilities. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a journey to uncover the true essence of the OnePlus Open. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this. And be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. Design. From the moment you lay eyes on the OnePlus Open, you are instantly struck by its sleek, sophisticated design. Its foldable form factor seamlessly transitions from a compact smartphone to an expansive tablet, catering to your ever-evolving needs. The hinge, a marvel of engineering, operates with remarkable smoothness, allowing you to unfold and fold the device with effortless ease. When closed, the phone lies flat against the frame, effortlessly slipping into your pocket or purse, becoming an extension of your style. Display. The OnePlus Open's display is a masterpiece of technology, a captivating canvas for your visual adventures. Its large, high-resolution Flexi Fluid AMOLED with LTPO 3.0 screen delivers images that are crisp, vibrant, and lifelike. Whether you are immersed in a captivating movie, engaged in an intense game, or simply browsing the web, the display brings your content to life with stunning clarity and detail. Performance. Powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, the OnePlus Open is a powerhouse that redefines performance. Multitasking is a breeze as you seamlessly navigate between demanding apps without any lag or slowdown. Even the most intensive games run smoothly and effortlessly, ensuring an immersive and uninterrupted gaming experience. With a generous 16 GB of RAM, you will never have to worry about memory constraints, ensuring that your apps and games always have the resources they need to perform at their peak. Camera. The OnePlus Open's triple-lens rear camera system is a testament to the company's commitment to photographic excellence. The 48-megapixel main lens captures every detail with impeccable precision, while the ultra-wide lens expands your field of view, allowing you to capture breathtaking landscapes and bustling cityscapes. For those far-off subjects, the telephoto lens brings them closer, capturing intimate moments with remarkable clarity. And let's not forget the 20-megapixel front-facing camera, your perfect companion for capturing selfies that radiate confidence and personality. Software. The OnePlus Open runs on Oxygen OS 13.2, an operating system that seamlessly blends simplicity with functionality. Its clean, intuitive interface allows you to navigate with ease, while its suite of customizable features lets you personalize your device to perfectly match your style and preferences. From the built-in screen recorder to the soothing dark mode, Oxygen OS 13.2 enhances your user experience in every way imaginable. Battery. The OnePlus Open is equipped with a large 4,805 mAh battery, a reliable companion that ensures you stay connected throughout the day. Even with heavy usage, the battery effortlessly powers through your tasks from morning to night. Whether you are streaming videos, gaming, or simply staying productive, the OnePlus Open keeps you going, ensuring you never miss a beat. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.